All right, traders, I'm going to be going over the trading plans for the SPY. This is going to give you a much better understanding on the overall price action analysis for today. Let's get straight into it. So this is going to be a quick one, man, and fairly simple. What I want you to understand about the SPY is this previous closing price of 387.86 is a key critical make it or break it level. Notice how once this like 388 level reacts as a support level, the SPY has a massive breakout to almost $394. Well, the key is for the bears to remain in control, they need to stay under $380.30. And if SPY goes green to red, they need to pull it back down to the red on the day under 387.86, and they need to form a ceiling, a roof at this 388.30 to 387.86 zone. If they can do that, instead of having this big upside move, they're going to have a nice downside move. And the overall targets for that would be $386 to $384. If the SPY does hit $384, we should see some sort of bounce initially. That's not the best setup. The best setup would be if SPY goes green and then back to red, forms a ceiling, forms a roof, look to scalp puts at the profit targets mentioned. Now, this is what you need to understand in terms of the bulls. If the bulls are forming a floor, they're breaking above the previous closing price, they're forming support above this 387.86 and they break above this 388.30, that will trigger a massive bullish squeeze. And the bulls will try to run this up to about $392 right around that zone. So it's truly make or break. And what we know now is we do know that this 388.30 support level has cracked. The SPY has already had a nice drop from the previous closing price reacting as a resistance. So heading into market open, that's what we know. Now it's going to be our job to identify whether the bulls or bears are in control at this make or break level. If the bulls are in control, we're going to spike to about 390 to 392. If the bears are in control, we're going to drop to around 386 to 384. That's my overall price action analysis. There is going to be a gap to fill above at 387.86. So if I see signs of a reversal or SPY goes green, red reacts as a resistance, I'll look to play puts. If it reacts as support, then the bulls will take control and there would be absolutely no reason to hold puts and risk past 388.30. That's my overall analysis. I'm going to go trade live with my team.